Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to use Cash App. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Cash App. Start by launching the Cash App on your phone. On the first screen, you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email address. Once you've entered that, you'll receive a verification code. Just type that code into the app to confirm your identity. After verification, you'll have the option to link your bank account. You can skip it for now, but it's important to do this later if you want to send or receive money. To link your bank, you'll need to enter your debit card details like the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Next, you'll create your cash tag. This is your unique username in Cash App, and it makes it easy for people to find and pay you. To finish creating your cash tag, enter your zip code. Cash App will then generate a unique payment link you can share with others for easy and secure payments. Step 2. Add money to your Cash App account. Once your account is set up and your debit card is linked, go ahead and open the app. Look for the Balance tab in the bottom left corner of the screen. If it's your first time using the app, this tab might show a little house icon. On the Balance screen, tap the Add Cash button to begin adding money to your account. A number pad will appear. Type in the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance. After entering the amount, tap the green Add button at the bottom of the screen to confirm. The money will instantly appear in your Cash App account, and you'll see your updated balance right away. Send a payment with Cash App. To send money, open the app and stay on the main screen where you can enter the amount right away. Use the number pad to type in the amount you want to send to someone. After that, tap the Pay button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email in the To field. In the For field, add a short note explaining the reason for your payment, like groceries or movie tickets. Make sure that cash is selected as the payment method. Finally, tap the Pay button at the top right corner of the screen to complete the transaction. The money will be sent instantly, and the recipient will get a notification right away. And that's it. You are done.